Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and use the stopwatch feature on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel or another Android phone, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and you want to select the clock app and then select the stopwatch button on the bottom here. If you want to initiate the stopwatch, just select the little plus icon at the bottom, or it should be a little play button actually, and it will begin the stopwatch counter. You can pause it by selecting the pause button. You can also reset it by selecting the reset button on the left side. And that's pretty much it, guys. You can see a little progress bar here too. You can compare the historical use of the stopwatch. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, on how to use it. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.